Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Steph. Welcome back to my channel, The Secret Slob, and our Spring Declutter Challenge. Every day this month, I'm decluttering a different space in my house until it's totally clutter-free and it's gonna be so much easier to keep it clean. I hope you've been sticking with me this whole time, but if it's your first day, no worries, jump in right where you are. So today I'm tackling kind of an area that's all over the house, decor. So I feel kind of silly adding this one in because for me, I don't have a lot of decor. We moved here about 6 months ago and we've kind of sort of put stuff out, but we know we're doing a renovation this summer, and so we haven't put a lot of stuff out. So I'm gonna go through every space in my house, just decide if things can stay or go, if I really love them or not, and I hope you do the same. A lot of the stuff we have in our house for decor is stuff that was given as gifts, or maybe we've inherited it. So today we're going totally guilt-free and only keeping the things that we absolutely love, because decor is the stuff that's meant to make your house feel like it's yours and beautify it, make it special. So just keep the things that are special. Okay, should we do this together? All right, let's get started. All right, so we're just gonna kind of walk through the house, treat it as a little house tour of sorts, and just kind of pick and choose things that can stay and things that can go. So let's start right here in this room, which is our living room. Soon there'll be a window there. Okay, I really need to do a house update. I will. After this series is over, I'll do a house update. Okay, let's see. Here is where I've got my cactuses and my little ceramic thing. I like all those things, so we'll keep that. And over here, okay, so this was a candle, and I really like the way that looks. But the candle broke and now this looks awful. And I even tried to make my own wick here. Didn't work, it never burned. Maybe I'll try and melt that and make it look cute, because I do kind of like that actually. Operation Candle Resuscitation. I scooped this out. It seems to be burning. Oh yeah. Yay! Saved my poor little candle. Now I have all this extra stuff. Kind of feels like a waste. Nice to at least be able to use this much of it. Smells amazing. This I like. And over here, got plants. A lot of my decor is plants. Over here, it's kind of like where we have our music. Oh, here's a can. So this is totally, that one's done. So I'll get rid of that. And then this room, we have no decor. Well, we have this one picture, which I like. I'll keep that. So more plants. My husband keeps his water there. Some little Easter things. We'll keep those till Easter. And then over here, we've got kind of a candle with some decorations, and this is another candle. And over here I've got kind of a picture, me and my sister and my mom, and then a little purifier thing and my Monstera. So not much there. And then up here, okay, so we've got our just married sign, which I like, and then this kind of thing. These, I can get rid of those. These are like a craft that we did with my daughter's Girl Guides, but yeah, we've had them for a while. We probably don't need them anymore. And then, oh my gosh, this is the funniest thing. Okay, so when I talked about inheriting things or getting things as gifts, this was my great-grandmother's. I've probably talked about this. This is a total guilt item. I don't like it. I think it's awful, but it was hers, and so I feel obligated to keep it. I feel like my mom maybe gave it to me because she didn't want it, but she wanted someone to keep it. Maybe I'll give it back to her. I have tried to give it back to her, and it somehow found its way back into my house, so I might give that one back. I don't like it. Don't have to keep things just because they belonged to someone else. You can, you know, cherish their memory and remember them without keeping their stuff that you don't like. And then these were like Christmas decorations, but I thought, I don't know, I kind of thought they were cute, so I kept them, and I like them. And then I've got my plant. Okay, so a lot of my decor is plants, but that's kind of it. I have some pictures on the walls, I have my plants, I have just a couple of extra things, not a lot though, but I know a lot of people have tons of decor and tons of stuff that's just been kind of piling up, you know, extra picture frames out, extra items, lots of candles, maybe you have lots of burnt out candles. So I was able to purge a couple things away. I'm excited to sneak that little glass thing into my mom's suitcase next time she visits and just get rid of some of that stuff. When the house gets renovated, I'll be able to, you know, decorate it more the way I want to have it for a long time. It's weird having a house where you know things aren't going to stay this way. So easy day for me, but I know it won't be that way for some people. Just take the time, go through each room, don't feel guilty. You know, if you feel like, oh, I might want to keep this, wait a minute, come back to it in a few days, and you might change your mind, or you might decide, yeah, I do want to keep it. This is definitely one of the harder ones in terms of sentimentality and some of those items that really pull at your heartstrings. So be easy on yourself. Don't feel like you have to throw everything away. You can always box things up and revisit them later. That's totally allowed. All right, I hope you found this video motivating. You're gonna go take care of some of your decor items that maybe just don't need to be out anymore, or you just really don't love them. If you need a little bit more motivation, I am giving away a $100 gift card every single day, including today. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel down here and leave a comment for me so I know you want to win. We are trying to support local businesses, and maybe you can buy some new decor that you really, really love for your house. Okay, enter the contest, clean up a couple things, or at least find an old candle that can get out of your house. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.